In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change button icons in Power BI Desktop. This is a quick and impactful way to make your report buttons clearer, more branded, and easier to recognize at a glance. Whether you want to use a simple arrow or a custom brand symbol, you can do it right inside the formatting options. Start by clicking the button on your report that you want to update. Make sure the button itself is selected, not a nearby visual. When a button is selected, the format pane appears on the right side of Power BI Desktop. That's the area where you control the look and feel of the selected visual. If you ever click away and the pane changes, just reselect the button so the formatting options for that button come back into view. In the Format pane, look for the section called Style. This is where the visual appearance of the button is managed, including things like shape, text styling, and of course, the icon. Open the Style section, then locate the option labeled Icon. This is the control that lets you define what symbol appears on your button. Inside the icon settings, you'll see the icon type dropdown. Here, you can choose from a set of preset icons, which are great for common actions like navigation, submit, information, or refresh. These are quick to apply and consistent across your report. If you're aiming for a more branded or specific look, select Custom. This lets you add your own icon file. For best results, use a clear, high-contrast image with a transparent background. Formats like PNG and SVG tend to work well because they keep edges crisp and look clean at different sizes. When you add a custom icon, pick something that remains legible at the button's spine and matches your report's color theme. As you choose an icon, keep an eye on how it sits within the button. If your design relies on minimal text, the icon becomes the main signal to the user, so clarity matters. Think about the overall layout and ensure the icon stands out against the button's fill color. If the icon looks too small or crowded, consider adjusting the button's size or padding in your existing layout so the icon has room to breathe. And there you go. Once you've picked a preset or added your custom icon, your button is updated. That's all you need to do to change button icons in Power BI Desktop. Thanks for watching, and enjoy giving your reports a more polished, intuitive look.